Alright, let's cut to the chase. You want to wrap text around a circle in Canva, maybe for a logo, maybe for a sticker, maybe just to make your design look a little less boring. The good news is it's ridiculously easy once you know where to look. So let's do it together. First, open Canva. Hit that big purple Create a Design button. Doesn't matter if you're making a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, or just a blank canvas. Pick whatever format works for you. I'll start with a plain white background so we can focus on the text. Next, add your words. The fastest way is to get in the left sidebar and use the type tool. Now, type in whatever you want. Maybe your brand name, maybe something fun like Coffee Lovers Club. Make the text bigger so you can see what's happening. Change the font, change the color, play around a little bit. This is your design, so make it look the way you want. Now, here comes the trick. Click on the text box and look up at the top for the Effects button. When you open it, you'll see a bunch of options like shadows, neon, splice. Ignore all that for now and scroll until you see a section called Shape. By default, it's set to None. But if you click on Curve, suddenly your text bends, just like that. You'll see a little slider. You can drag left or right, move it one way, and your text curves into a smile. Slide it the other way, and it curves into a frown. Keep sliding and you'll get text that bends all the way into a full circle. It's literally that easy. But let's take it up a notch. What if you want text on both the top and the bottom of your circle, like a real badge or logo? Super simple. Just duplicate the text box you already curved. In the second one, drag the curve slider in the opposite direction. Then move that second line of text underneath the first. And now you've got text wrapped all the way around a circle. Now, don't stop there. This is the part where you polish it up. If the letters look too close together or too far apart, adjust the spacing until it feels balanced. If the words look chromed, make the font size a little smaller. And here's a little trick. Sometimes the text doesn't line up perfectly. If that happens, rotate the text box just a few degrees. Those tiny adjustments make a huge difference in how clean the final design looks. Once your text looks right, you can drop something into the middle of the circle. Add your logo, a simple icon, or even a photo that instantly turns your curved text into a proper design. You've probably seen this style on t-shirts, logos, stickers, even social media graphics. Now you know how they do it. And once you've got the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. You can make circular logos for your business. You can create stamp-style designs that look great on packaging. You can add curved text to a YouTube thumbnail to make it pop. Or you can just experiment and see what new ideas come up. And that's really it. Wrapping text around a circle in Canva takes less than a minute once you know where to click. No Photoshop, no complicated tools, no stress, just a couple of clicks and your design looks way more professional. So, here's my challenge to you. As soon as this video ends, open Canva and try it for yourself. Curve some text, play with the slider, line up a second box and create your first circular text design. You'll be surprised at how good it looks with almost no effort. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you want more Canva tricks that make designing faster and easier, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Now, tell me in the comments, what's the first design you're going to make with circular text? A logo, a sticker, maybe a cool thumbnail? I'd love to know.